What's good, y'all? It's Jonathan, the Trading Chemist. I'm back in the lab with another video. So today I'm in a sale on gold, right? So let me break it down in terms of what I'm looking at, right? So I'm pretty much doing a 15 minute. I'm in on a 15-minute setup, but I entered on the 1 minute time frame. So what I saw, there was a breaker structure here and here, right? So I was looking for price either to come back to this area or this area before taking the sell off. So um boom, just in terms of show you the market structure that I'm looking at, and pulling back here and then dropping off, right? So excuse me. So what I end up doing was I ended up once it got to this area right here, and I saw price was kind of playing around a little bit and pausing, and it wasn't just strictly pushing through, moving to this next area interest here. I end up getting in. So just going to the 1 minute to show you where I got in. It hit my fib level. Sorry, let me bring it back real quick. It hit my 61.8 fib level as well, and I was just looking for this drop right here. Once it breaks this candle right here, I feel like I'm pretty much in the clear for it to actually give me a beautiful little drop, right? So just going to the 1 minute just to show you the where and why I entered. Price hit the 61.8 fib right here. It came down. I realized that it was struggling to break here, so as soon as it broke this area, giving me a bearish variation, I end up getting in. No, I got in off of this candle here. I was waiting for this one to flip. Once this candle closed, sorry, it's covering it up. Once that candle closed and started to give me a bullish, I end up getting in, and I'm just like, screw it, I'm just gonna ride it out. So how we plan on playing this one here is we're gonna take it from this negative this 61.8 down to this negative 27.8 fib. At least that's the overall goal, and it also lines up with this level here. So I am confident in this setup. We just got to see what happens. Um, so I'm probably just going to take off a little bit as we go. Currently, I got 5 contracts on, and this is yeah, I got 5 contracts on, and currently I'm up just $45. So um, if this plays out correctly, I should make around $885, right? So that'll be a beautiful big win day. We're just gonna see how all of this plays out. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna give this a little pause, and I get back with y'all when when price gets a little bit more in profit, and I give y'all an update. Let's go. Uh, so far this is what's going on with the trade, right? So when price end up showing its hand, right? It did this. Let me go to the 1 minute. It did this this impulse right here and end up pulling back. So what I did was I added 4 more contracts. Well, 3 more contracts to it. So currently I'm 8 contracts in, only because it showed that okay, it broke structure here. We are going down. Like it told me that we are going down. So I'm okay with this being my only trade for the day, right? And typically I have it to where my max loss limit for the day is 250, and then I'm out. So essentially I just give myself 2 trades, but this can be my only trade, and I'm cool with it. So how I'm planning on managing this trade is um it at this level I should be at about in total we're at a 1 to 7 RR if everything plays out right. But at 1 to 2, I'm gonna do a break, bring the trade to break even. Once it breaks this low here, so at 1 to 2, Gonna bring it break even. When it gets to my zero fib level, I'm gonna take off half the position and move my stop loss under another low, and I'm gonna ride the rest to my full TP. But other than that, right now everything's looking very beautiful. We're currently up $200 right now, and since I added the rest of the contracts, if it hits overall, the overall fib, we're looking at about $1,366 day. So a beautiful, beautiful day. But we got to see how all this plays out. I really need. This was an area that I need to wait out and see if how price is gonna play. Because at the end of the day, I could be like this trade could be wrong, and it pulls back further, like because it broke this structure here, right? And basically with a pullback, it could have like retested this zone or this area right here and keep on pushing back. But I believe this is going to still sell off. We're in a overall buy market, but currently on the lower time frame, we still have sales even on the 30. On the 30, this looks even better. So it's only on the hour and 4 hour where we still have this higher time frame situation here. And the thing is, we still have a lot of room. That's why I wouldn't go to negative 61.8, because this I would consider our stopping point here, because if it breaks this, it breaks structure and we're going for a big sell-off, right? So I'm just looking at this as, hey, um, this is our stopping point. I'm getting out here. This will be like considered one of my area interest 3. If I was on the higher time frame trading this, I would be looking for price to come all the way down here before taking a huge buy up. But other than that, I am just going to wait to play this on out. So on the higher time frame, it's still in a buy market until price will break this area here. So I am banking on it rejecting at least to this level. So we're gonna just see how everything plays out and go from there. Um, so so yeah, let me let this trade play out a little bit more, and I'll let y'all know what happens for the rest of the day. Yeah, so that didn't work out too well. So just to let y'all know what happened, price end up rejecting here. So if we go to the 1 minute, this is pretty much what happened, right? So price end up retesting this level that was broken on the 1 minute and keeping on for that buy. So it retested and went for the buy here, and I am done for the day. So now we're gonna see if it rejects from this area or if it breaks and goes for the overall buy. But I thought that I could have executed that trade, but it is what it is. Other than that, that's all I got for today, you guys. I will catch you guys tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday. So I catch you guys tomorrow, and that's all I got. Peace. So I was gonna be done, but then I saw a 1 minute setup on the 1 minute time frame, and I was just like, let me just see what happens. So I had about $50 left on my account for my daily loss limit, and I was just like, let me just see what happens. So I mean, it is what it is. If it doesn't work out, it works, whatever. I'm not tripping. I just wanted to see something real quick because I realize I'm kind of just going back and forth in terms of what time frame I want to use, and I just wanted to actually take this setup for some insight. And just to get some description of what's going on, there was a break and retest here. Price came back, retested retested the high that was broken, and then went for a buy. So I got in right here, as you can see, off 2 contracts, and let's just see what happens. All right, it's looking good. It looks like it's about to hit TP. So, yeah, I think I figured out what I needed to actually see. Oh, I forgot totally to. All right. Bro, you really gonna pull back off of that? Excuse me. Just trying to see if this is gonna play around and actually hit the full TP, or if it's gonna do something stupid. I don't really care either way. Especially since it's a free trade now. I'm just trying to see what's gonna happen with it. But I think it's about to hit it. It's just playing around before it does and consolidating. Okay, I wish it would just stop playing around and just going ahead and going up there. Alright, if it breaks this, I'm probably about to just close it. Alright, if it breaks past that, I'll just go ahead and close it. I got. There we go. Finally. Alright. That was $100 trade. So that definitely helped out my deficit for the day. And it hit my TP, so I was only down for $100 for the day, but that actually just helped me out tremendously in terms of what I need to really focus on doing. So we kind of rebounded for the day, but we took that huge loss on that higher time frame trade. But other than that, it's still all a blessing at the end of the day. So, all right, I'm actually done today. I promise. I'm done now. Peace.